Hey there, are you a non-tech degree holder worried about landing a high-paying job in the field of AI and data analytics? I totally get it. It is a valid concern, and you are definitely not alone. Even those with the tech degrees are struggling in today's competitive job market. But here's the thing, your university degree alone isn't enough to guarantee you that dream job anymore. Now, don't be discouraged. There are plenty of opportunities in the field of AI and data analytics. But guess what? You can't rely on the same old conventional approach everyone else is using. In this short presentation, I'm going to share with you a brand new innovative strategy to unlock hidden AI and data opportunities no one else is going after. Trust me, this is a game changer. As a special gift for watching till the end, I will reveal my secret six-step technique that successful AI and data professionals are using to discover these hidden opportunities. In the next few minutes, I will give you a quick overview of a recent article I wrote titled Unlocking Hidden AI and Data Job Opportunities, a new innovative strategy for non-tech degree holders. In the introduction, I set the stage by illustrating to you why, if you're only relying on opportunities on job platforms such as LinkedIn, Indeed, or Glassdoor, you can name the rest, you are up for stiff competition. This is an example. I pull up two data opportunities on LinkedIn, and from this illustration, you can clearly see we have over 100 candidates for a single spot. Tell me, if you're only relying on these job platforms, how can you bypass this stiff competition? I know some of you will say, yes, now you can use AI tools to optimize your CV and the rest. Just to let you know, everyone has access to those tools you do have. And also, these companies are now using AI tools to flush you out. So, no matter how you optimize your CV, the chance that a robot is the one selecting you is very, very high. Is that something you want to rely on? Okay, in the next section of the article, I explain the hidden gold mine, that is small and medium-sized enterprise versus large companies. At the beginning of your AI and data journey, you might be looking at the big names such as, Microsoft, Apple, Google, McKinsey, just to name a few. Those are places that every young guy wants to work, which is a good dream, but it is not the ideal type of companies you should target at the beginning of your journey. Just to let you know, these large companies make only about 30% of the global economy, and they are very, very competitive. Even the experienced folks are all eyeing the global companies. So the best thing to do is to avoid these big companies as much as possible. Now, on the other side, the small and medium-sized companies occupy about 70% of the global economy. These companies are the ones with the hidden opportunities. They are the ones that are ready to bend their rules in order to hire you to come solve some of the business problems. But the truth is, you still can't rely on the same old conventional approach you are using to apply for jobs, because some of these SMEs or small and medium sized enterprises, they are not on job platforms. They don't announce opportunities. So you can't still rely on the same old conventional method. So, what are you supposed to do? Before I unveil the approach, let's examine how AI and data opportunities are distributed across different levels of companies. At the top of the pyramid, we have level one companies, which occupy roughly about 3%. These are the companies that have posted jobs opportunities on job platforms such as LinkedIn, Indeed, and Glassdoor. So they have identified the problem, they have identified what they are going to need, like which means the AI and data skills they need to solve the business problem, and they have really announced those opportunities. So if you are only relying on those job opportunities you see on job platforms, then you are open to only 3% of the total AI and data job opportunities. The rest 97 of AI and data job opportunities are not on job platforms, which means you can't rely on the same conventional old approach everyone else is using to get these other 97% opportunities. Now, I know you're wondering and you're asking me, how can you unlock the other 97% of opportunities? And that is what I'm going to illustrate next. In the next section, I talk about the innovative approach to unlock abundant AI and data opportunities. Let's examine this. In order to secure AI and data opportunities, you can either use the old approach, which everyone is versed with, or you use the new approach, which I'm going to unveil soon. In the old approach, it is based on the employer. Step one, the employer identifies a business problem. In step two, the employer designs a job specification. And in step three, the employer puts out the call, which are those opportunities you see on job platforms. What are the consequences of relying on this approach? You are up against serious competition with other job applicants. Secondly, you are not in control as job specifications are already fixed. There is no way you can change it anymore. And lastly, your success depends on luck. Now, in the new approach which I want you to take, it is based on you, the non-tech degree holder. In step one, you, the non-tech degree holder, you are the one to identify the business problem. In step two, you are going to design the solution and the specification. So, what are the skills, what are the AI and data skills you are going to need in order to solve this business problem? And finally, you're going to put out a call. So, you need to be proactive. You need to reach out to these SMEs in order to showcase or to present your case. What are the benefits of using this approach? One, there is less or no competition from others. Two, you are in total control and you set your own terms. And three, you are in control of your success. I personally know this is a new approach I'm introducing. That is why I've compiled a secret document that will help you implement this approach. Okay, let me introduce you to the Education to Professional Employment Framework. This framework contains the six golden principles every non-tech degree holder must know to transition to AI and data roles within 3 to 6 months, and you stand the chance of landing a 5 to 6 figure salary job working from home. This is a 20-page document that provides a detailed roadmap for every non-tech degree holder to ensure a smooth transition into AI and data analytics without the need to go spend 2 to 3 years on a tech degree. When you download a free copy of this framework, you stand the chance to answer the following key questions. Who is the single most important person you need to go for career coaching? Two, which are the AI and data skills you need to quickly and effectively learn in order to land a job ASAP? Three, you are going to unveil a simple technique on how to gain work experience and build yourself a strong technical portfolio. Four, you will learn how to package yourself by building a strong personal brand that attracts AI and data opportunities while you're sleeping. Five, you will learn how to avoid applying for 100 jobs opportunity just to receive 100 job rejections. And six, you will learn how to connect with like-minded peers who can help you unlock data opportunities that no one else is going after. Okay, as a closing remark, I would like to let you know that you are blessed to live in an era where geographical boundaries have all been broken, which means with an internet connection, you can be in a remote village somewhere in Africa and you are able to serve clients in Europe and in the US. But the thing is, you can't rely on the same conventional approach that is using CVs to apply for job opportunities. You need to implement the new approach you have learned in this article. So this was just a quick overview of the article, and I invite you to use the URL in this video description to further read into this article. What are you waiting for? Go and uncover the hidden 97% of AI and data opportunities with the new innovative approach for non-tech degree holders.